Said this morning, it's going to be exactly the same thing we did before, except at the end, we're not just going to box up our b, we're going to use the b to actually write the equation. Dylan, sit up, please. But up until the very last step, everything's the same. So we're going to go through this pretty quickly. I want you guys to get practice. Some of us are still working on worksheet 16. You'll have tons of time today to get it done, so don't rush through it. I want us to focus on this right now, just so we're all on the same page. So we're going to write the equation of the line with a slope of 3 right away. I know that my slope is 3. What letter represents slope?
M.
M. So what is M equal to? 3. And this line goes through the point -2, 6. -2, 6. Okay, -2 goes first. What does that mean -2 is equal to? That's my x, which must make +6 my what? My y. Still the same thing. Nothing has changed. Now we're going to plug those 3 numbers in. Y is 6. M is 3. And x is going to go inside my parentheses. What was my x equal to again? -2. We got to be careful. Everybody with me so far?
Yes.
Now I'm going to solve for b. What do I want to do first if I'm going to solve for b? We're going to multiply 3 times -2. Even before that, what do we want to do though? Draw the line. Good. Like Vincent said, we're going to multiply. What's 3 times 2?
-6.
Good. So 3 times 2 would be 6. A positive times a negative is a -6. So now I've got 6 equals -6 plus b. Good. How did you get 12? Okay. Good. Perfect. Absolutely. So Tariq figured it out nice and quick. If I want to get this b all by itself, I got to get rid of this -6. The opposite of -6 being what? +6. Do I just want to add 6 on the right? No. I want to add it on the left. Both sides. Keep it balanced. So my 6 is here. I can just cross those out. They go away. What is 6 plus 6 though? 12. So now I know that b is equal to what? 12. Now if I'm going to write the equation, right, this whole unit, if we look back to our table of contents, what's the name of this unit? What's the name of this unit? Writing equations. Writing, it is 3b, but the name of the unit is writing equations. Look at what we did. We wrote equations from M and B. We wrote equations from a graph, from a table, from a situation. And now we're going to find B first and then write the equation. So that's what we're doing today, is we're writing the equation. So if I'm going to write an equation, what are the 2 numbers that I need to know? Well, it's slope-intercept form. So I need the slope and I need the intercept. What letter represents slope? Slope is M. Do I know what my M is? Yeah, what's my M here? What's my M here? 3. We're still on the first problem. And then do I know what my B is? Yeah, I just found what my B is, right? What's my B equal to? 12. Go ahead, TJ. So I'm going to replace my M with a 3. I'm going to replace my B with a 12. But I'm going to keep my Y and X the same. I'm going to keep my Y and my X. So I get Y is equal to what?
6.
Y is equal to what? 3 x plus 12. And there's my final answer right there. That's all we're adding on to what we did yesterday. It's the exact same thing. Then we're just plugging in the m that we're given. We're given the m. We find the b, and we plug them both in. All right? How are we feeling about that process? Thumbs up, we're feeling good. Thumbs sideways, we're feeling all right. Thumbs down, we're feeling bad. Okay. I want you guys to give it a try for yourself. So take this example down here. Get it started. Figure out what's your m, what's your x, and what's your y. Use those three numbers to find your b, and then plug in the m and the b to write your equation. We'll go, how much time do we need? 3 minutes? Let's do 3 minutes. And then we'll come back together and see how you guys did. But please give it a try on your own. See where your confidence level is at. Right? Good. You guys, sir. Close. See if you can see where you may have made a very, very small error. Yeah, go ahead. Over here. You gonna try, Brett? Second one down there? Give it a try. It's just like what we did yesterday. You did great yesterday. What's that?
No way. Am I bugging or something? Because it has to be negative.
Okay.
I didn't get my
This is spirit check. I got some.
Is this spirit?
No, it's college Wednesday.
Well, it's a college
I did it.
fit. That looks nice.
Mr. Lo-
Is that
I
this?
mean, Mr. Church.
It's a fraternity. The fraternity journal. Looks right to me. Looks right to me.
Oh, because it's a negative 9. I didn't even see this.
This university.
Oh.
Guys,
Wait, what's
it's a negative 9. It's 0, bro. Because it was a negative 9. I put a
Oh, the slope. Oh, you had them switched around. Y goes on the left side. And the M gets multiplied. Right? Y equals mx. And the x would be 1/3 negative 9. Yeah, so switch them back around.
What if I just made that song right? They had how do I do that?
All right, you guys give it a shot? How do you think you did?
Good.
Anyone pretty confident that what they did was right?
I did fantastic.
You did fantastic. Tariq, you want to walk us through exactly what you did for a couple of rich points real quick?
Yep.
Okay, what did you do?
So, I
While Tariq is explaining, we're not talking, right? Up here in the front? Okay, go ahead, Tariq.
Alright, so I put negative 3 For. Oh wait, I put negative 3 for y.
Negative 3 is y? Okay. I'm going to pretend like I have no idea what you're talking about, so you got to be super specific.
Alright, and m equals 1 over 3.
Okay.
And x equals negative 9.
Perfect.
And then you take your y and put negative 3. Negative 3.
Okay, that goes first.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then put an equal sign. And then put your slope 1 over 3.
Okay.
And then do parentheses. And then put negative 9
Perfect.
plus b.
What's b?
We don't know yet.
Oh, good. We don't know it.
And then you draw a line through the equal sign, and then put bring down. Oh wait, no. You divide negative 9 by 3, and you get negative 3.
Perfect.
And then bring down your plus b.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You do the opposite of negative 3 to cancel it out.
Okay, which is what?
Positive 3.
Perfect.
And then put a line through that. And then put positive 3 on the other side. And then
Thank you.
you do negative 3 plus 3. And then your answer is 0 equals b.
Can my b value be 0?
Yeah.
Yeah, where is 0 on the y-axis? At the origin. So what type of relationship do I know I have here? Proportional. Good. Is that my answer? B is equal to 0? I'm done?
Yeah. No, you're not done. You're not.
No, we're not done. So, Tariq, what did you do next?
Oh, I did the equation.
Okay, you wrote the equation. How'd you write the equation?
y equals 1 over 3x.
Where'd you get the 1 over 3?
From the writing.
Oh, yeah.
The
It
slope-
gave me
the
the M.
slope- the slope
Good, okay. 1 over 3x plus what?
plus 0, but we
Plus-
don't have to put it in those. 'Cause
Good.
It's like it would be no reason.
Exactly. We could put plus 0, but there would be no reason to. So I'm going to leave it just like that. Y is equal to 1 over 3x. And like we said, I know Bao said it back there, this is proportional. Can you guys see that? Of course not. Yeah, it's kind of hard to read. You guys know what it says, though. You don't?
That brush color one.
There we go. Give me a thumbs up if your equation looks exactly like Tariq's equation. Mohammed's, Jasmine's, Avon's, Shalea's, Cedric's, Sana's, Shalea's, Aiden's, Tariq's, Vincent's, Roscoe's, Alex's, Mahir's, Alea's, Mr. Church's. Good. Any questions we could answer about that? How we feeling now? Show thumbs. Up, down, sideways. Very, very good is very, very good for me.